Okay, ingredients: 100 grams softened butter, around 60 grams of semolina rava, almond powder. Almond வந்து நல்லா you have to soak it and make it into a powder. 100 grams sugar, 100 grams. All these three 100 each, and around 60 grams of rava. And then 3 free range eggs, your orange essence, vanilla essence, 1 orange zest completely skinned, and later on we have to squeeze 1 whole orange of this. Baking powder roughly around half a teaspoon, and orange marmalade. You get it in shops ready made. The orange juice and the orange marmalade we need it later on to make the syrup, with around 2 cardamom pieces. That's it. Okay, in a mixing bowl, the butter, then in that you add the 100 grams of sugar and start beating it. So you have to beat it nalla cream. You have to make it into a nice creamy texture. If the sugar doesn't melt completely, not a problem. Later on when you bake, it will melt. And while this is happening, we are going to mix the second part of it. So separately in another bowl, take the almonds, the partially roasted semolina, the lemon zest which we did, that completely goes in, and the half tablespoon of baking powder. All these things you can just add it and lightly mix it together. So while this is beating, 3 free range eggs, one by one, not all together, slightly one by one, beat it slowly into it. Why free range eggs? Because free range eggs has a nice dark yellow yolk rather than your regular boiler eggs. And while we beat it nicely into a nice creamy texture. And in this, just add a little bit of vanilla and flavor kaga orange. And in this mixture, the previous mixture which we made, slowly add it to it. Beat. One. It is ready. It will be grainy because of the semolina and everything. No need to worry. This one has to go in a baking tray. 20 centimeter is more than enough. Use olive oil and use a baking sheet, parchment paper, a butter paper, because without that the cake won't come properly outside. You cannot just put butter and flour it. You have to use a pregnancy so that you can easily remove it, because this one is a delicate cake, it will crumble. So slowly you have to remove it with the parchment paper on this. So always leave 2 flaps of ears so that you can just hold it and slowly remove it. And this one has to go in an oven preheating at 160 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes. Then we are going to put it in this and cook it for 40 to 50 minutes until the top gets nice golden brown at 160 degrees Celsius itself. In the pan, some cloves, dry heat it, no oil, nothing whatsoever. Slightly dry heat the cloves and the orange juice which we had. Let it slightly boil nicely, and once it boils properly, we will be adding the marmalade. So once we add the marmalade, slightly mix it properly. This one has to become mostly into a syrup like consistency, like a sugar syrup, thick sugar syrup, so that we can add it on top of the cake, the rava cake. And once that is done, you have to coat it nicely on top so that it evenly spreads in the cake, and this will absorb all the syrup. So once the syrup is ready, slowly pour it on top of the cake nicely and spread it evenly. So nicely marinate it and spread it around. So these are the nice orange zest. You'll have the nice orange flavor and the honey flavor in it. And let it sit for roughly around 5 to 10 minutes in that heat, so that the syrup goes into the cake and it absorbs nicely.